I am going to show you today chicken salad. It's called the Insalata di Campagna. What we need, beef lettuce, which is my favorite one, and tomato, onion, salt and pepper. You saute the chicken and then that's it. This chicken salad is organic chicken breast, and you wash it with lemon and salt. You soak it and you rinse it very well, so you don't have to worry about the salmonella, okay? So this is the chicken, organic chicken. It's already washed, very safe. So you slice it like a julienne, like this, or you can cut it pieces, okay? And now I'm going to use salt and pepper. Okay, you mix like that. I'm gonna just wash the cutting board with the lemon since I cut the chicken. Okay. Okay. This is the beef lettuce. It's washed, dry. You have to dry it very well. Okay. This is also organic. You just with hand make onion. You need to wash it. It's washed, but I always make sure. This is the best tomato, I said before, and I'm gonna say it again. Cluster tomato, organic. Now, particular for this, I put the white pepper for the chicken, and for this, I'm gonna put the black pepper because it's very tasty. A little bit salt. Okay, this. Then we're gonna add it here. Okay. Gonna well done always. Then we're gonna cook lemon. Okay, so the lemon, we squeeze it. For 1 tablespoon lemon, you do 2 tablespoons oil. Okay, that's it. This is done. It has everything. A little bit of oil on the top. This is it. Buon appetito, Insalata di Campagna.